Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing paint consistency and a working ground. Use thin acrylic washes to establish values and major shapes. Once you mix paint with a little water or medium, lay down a neutral underpainting to find light and shadow quickly. This prevents muddy color later. Make sure to reserve highlights on your canvas, scrape or lift if needed. As you work, evaluate edges and temperature changes, adjust with thin glazes. This first pass sets the architecture. Move deliberately, not timidly. Now you build form with successive layers. Start thin and increase body so each layer adheres. Use glazes to shift temperature and saturation. One glaze can warm, another can cool, giving depth without overworking. Blend wet into tacky for soft transitions, and use a dry brush or scumble for texture where needed. Make sure to step back frequently, squint, and correct value errors. Small adjustments to midtones change the whole illusion. Keep strokes purposeful and vary brush size to define plane. You finish by dialing in contrast and the smallest details. Apply spot highlights and crisp edges to guide the eye. Once satisfied, let the painting dry thoroughly. Thick impasto can take longer, so wait before varnishing. When dry, choose satin or gloss varnish to unify sheen and protect the surface. If a color looks flat, reglaze rather than overpaint. If paint is stubborn, lift with a damp brush or scrape gently. This final care secures longevity and clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.